Hello and welcome back to my channel. These easy to make wands are perfect for the budding boy wizard or girl sorceress, or even just as a Halloween prop. As this involves using hot glue, it's not a suitable activity for children. You're going to need some chopsticks. If you haven't got any, then thin dowels will do. A hot glue gun. I'm using a large glue gun as I need to melt a lot of glue. And some glue sticks. You're going to need some large beads. These are from broken costume jewellery. Some paint. I've chosen brown and black. And of course, a brush. Finally, some metallic gilding waxes. If you don't have these, you can use metallic paints with the dry brush method. These are waxed base, which I think are more hard wearing than the water-based gilding polishers. So to start, I'm applying a little hot glue to the blunt end of the chopstick. And applying a bead. It's a good idea to do all your wands in a production line process. The hot glue needs to cool down and set. This is a large bead and I'm going to use it as a handle, so it's going to need a lot of hot glue on the inside. I hold the chopstick centrally and place hot glue around it. This needs a while to cool down and set. So while that's cooling, I work on other wands. Next, I'm adding hot glue in claws over the bead. This helps secure the bead to the top of the wand. Without it, the bead could easily be knocked off. Next, I'm running hot glue around the wand. This can be in any pattern you like, there's no rules. I prefer to leave the tip end of the wand cleared of glue. You can be as random as you want applying glue, the messier the better. It'll give the impression of gnarled wood. Just a word of warning, hot glue can get very hot. Any drips of glue touching your skin can cause serious burns. I have the scars to prove it. You could wear protective gloves. Now why didn't I think of that? When you're happy with the decoration and all the glue is cooled and set, it's time for painting. I'm using a brown acrylic paint and I'm adding some black gesso. The gesso will help the paint to stick to the glue and beads. Make sure to paint in all the nooks and crannies. I paint the top part of the wand first and stick the point into a piece of floral foam to dry. When that part's dry, I paint the points of the wand. Let the paint dry thoroughly. Using the tips of my finger, I apply a light coat of gilding wax just to highlight the textures. As you can see, this really brings the wand to life. Don't overdo it, less is more. If you haven't got gilding wax, you can use metallic paint. Add a little to a dry brush and lightly brush over the wand to give a similar effect. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching.